Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to make 11Labs voice love. So first you will have to make sure that you already have an 11Labs account, and then after that you will have to go to the voices section, and then text to speech, and then you will have to type out expressions like haha or hehe in your script, and then you will just have to generate that speech, and then for realistic results you will have to mix them with natural dialogue. For example, you will have to type things like that was funny, haha, or hehe. Then you will have to test different spellings and punctuation to get varied laugh tones. And by the way, some voices express laughter better than others, so you will have to try a few different ones. So just let's try it out and wait for it to load. So once we're here, you're
That
just
was
gonna.
funny, haha, or hee hee.
So that's what it sounds like. You can adjust it to make it more natural. It depends on your preference or liking. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.